playing with the hummingbirds. So beautiful. Her, see, it's not staying in one place. Constantly flying. Ah, gosh, beautiful, so lovely. Oh, now they're fighting. Oh my gosh, playing and fighting. Oh gosh, look. Oh gosh, so cute. Oh, it's a beautiful hummingbird, right? Oops, oops, there you go. Now I see you. Now I see you. Now I see you. Oops. Hummingbird. Beautiful hummingbird. Ooh. Wow, fast. Oh gosh. Oops. Oops. There you go. Oh my gosh, look at this, so cute. Beautiful. They're just moving, flying. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. There you go. Yeah. Hey. Such a surprise. Beautiful hummingbird. Look at this. Oh gosh. Two of them are just playing. Oops. Here we go again. Oh, now finally. Sit, 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 sit. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Look at this now finally. Oh. So fast. Playing. See? So naughty. This is Miracle. Here at a beautiful nursery at Las Colinas. The beautiful seasonal flowers, cactus, rose. Beautiful day today. Look at these roses. Flowers and being with the nature. Everything just makes so peaceful. Going green. That should be our logo. Beautiful nursery at Las Colinas. Look at this. These beautiful flowers they have. Look at the roses. Holy flowers. Beautiful. It smells so pretty. Beautiful fragrance. Side you see we have elephant plants, elephant ears. So many different types. Beautiful. Flowers and nature, plants, bushes make us so happy, make us just to reduce all the stresses. Just go green. Put green in everything, in your food, in your house, in your clothes, in your perfume, in your drinks. It should be go green. Beautiful, right? The heart of nature makes us happy, makes us feel so calm, makes us feel to be connected with the universe. Flowers truly bring joy in our life. Go green, plant more flowers, and just be with the green nature. Look at this huge garden. Wow. Plum. Many different. Japanese. Spiritual. Wow. Beautiful. See more roses here also. Beautiful. Many different types. What is this one? Oh, this one. Look at that. The leaf. Beautiful, right?